create a presentation about how to explain Copilot to employees of an organization who just invested in Copilot and needs their employees to adopt it safely.
To point out while it's generating that, like you can see there's multiple things he's added in there. It'll be interesting to see what it dumps out. But you know, I think that's the thing sometimes that's interesting is we tend to think in simple search terms and other stuff. Hey, make me a Copilot presentation so my employees know how to use it. But to add the safely to do those other things, I think there's stuff in there that can be really interesting.
And so while it's doing its thinking, I did just want to quickly, since you mentioned there are many components to that very simple prompt, and the prompts that I use day to day, these are my prompts. They are long, they're seemingly complex, but they are very definitive and they're very explanative. Explanative, that's not a word. I explained to the model exactly what I wanted to do. If there's any opportunity for a subjective interpretation, and I don't want it to be interpretive, and I define it. And so the more definitive we are, the better we explain what it is we're trying to do, the more interesting and seemingly magical the responses get. And so here is just introducing Copilot to our organization. We have 9 slides. We've got some images. We've got some reasoning. We've got benefits of Copilot. We've got using of Copilot safely. And so this is an example of just asking it to make a presentation for you about a topic where we provide no additional context.